بالصيام. يا رمضان يا رمضان شهر الرحمة والغفران. مرحب مرحب يا رمضان، أهلا أهلا بالصيام. You told me you were here for 30 days to shower us with mercy just like rain, to make it easier to change ourselves. Protect me from this world and from myself. Oh, please keep me company, old friend. You bless me in my home once again. I'm fortunate I get another chance to witness these nights, so I raise my hands. Ya Allah, thank you for another chance standing at my door. Ya Allah, you've given me hope, delivered this gift right to my home.